Hi, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make the Grasshopper Noël. This is quite a small drink, but it's packed full of flavor, and it's a great little after dinner drink if you want something just to round off your evening's food. Let's get into it. Take our Boston tin, and this is just really simple drinks. We've got 3 ingredients, and it's all equal parts. We're gonna take this Italian aperitif, a digestive liqueur, but it's the mint flavored version. Really, really good for after dinner. Next, just some good old-fashioned heavy cream or whipping cream. We want to put in equal parts. Next up, equal parts again, Absolut Vanilla. This is going to round off all the flavors with that nice vanilla note. Who doesn't like vanilla? We're going to give this a good shake now. Oh lordy. 1 Hawthorne. Again, we're gonna do the fine strain to make sure there's no pieces of ice floating around in our drink. And then last but not least, you wanna take some dark chocolate. You wanna go for at least 80% cocoa solids just to get the most flavor you can, and just grate a little bit all over the top. And there you have, guys, the Grasshopper Noël. Perfect for after your Christmas dinner. Oh yeah, really smooth because of the cream. The herbal minty flavors pair perfectly with Absolut Vanilla, and the chocolate and cream just make it, it tastes like how I want after dinner mints to taste. Chocolate mint delight. I love chocolate.